Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, we're here with Valiant, Dunce Cheque. Big up myself, Valiant. Your time now, them can't take that away from you, bro. You put in the work. I know you're there. I'll give you the bad song them. So, I have no doubt that this song is the next bad song. So, I'm going to jump straight tonight and see what the G has say. And let's go. Dunce Cheque.
Who ha he?
Yo, Tarek. Arcade.
That is it, man. Bumbleclad. So, school boss I go. But you girl them, cock up. It's a 10. School time. That class me one day now.
Upset.
No, Dunce it. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Yo, him voice unique. Like, him remind me of a Romeo Virgo, but a bit more hardcore. Like, the voice that him have. If you listen to Romeo and listen to Fiend voice, it's similar, but him have a more hardcore side to it, where Romeo one just smooth and you know, but this bad.
Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, Dunce it. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Once I'm there at the back of the class, him not a subject, you know mine, him Dunce Cheque, that is it.
No, Dunce it. Back of the class, man, on a subject. Girl, in order to be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but she no drunk yet. Drift the cone hard and make she get upset. Yo, I'm money on the subject.
Yo, this catchy as fuck. This is an exit song, brother.
Girl, in order to be my one rough sex.
Girl, in order to be my rough sex.
But she no drunk yet. Drift the cone hard and make she get upset. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Grab card.
Remember, you know, in a school you have math, you have science, you have English, you have physical education, you have design and technology, you have sociology, you have different. But a one subject the school them not have, a money. We not on a money subject. So the boss will tell them, so yo, that school them right now. With them done, at the back of the class, money on the subject.
Yo, I'm money on the subject. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, spin down, low fried. Science, hold on, crayon. PDF file ready. New pan belly, can't hold pan belly. Ratchet.
New pan belly can't hold pan belly. You hear the paper and read this, brother? The double rhyme this up. New pan belly can't hold pan belly. Bro, pan belly at the clip when the, you know? You see me? And it can't hold pan in belly. So, him use the word twice, pan belly.
Science, hold on, crayon. PDF file ready. New pan belly, can't hold pan belly. Ratchet in her ears, now send him down a medic. Me have the soul, she's called off good credit.
The man said ratchet in her ears, now send it down a medic. So basically, when the ratchet go in your ears, brother, you're dead. And your brain not a touch, you're dead. Can't hold pan belly. Ratchet in her ears, yeah, now send it down a medic, brother. Look at enough cut.
Ratchet in her ears, now send him down a medic. Me have the soul, she's called off good credit. Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, Dunce it. Back of the class, man, on a subject. Girl, in order to be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but she no drunk yet. Drift the cone hard and make she get upset.
As you can see, that them in our real school. This is a real school. Like, it's not even, it's a real classroom. It's literally a classroom. So, him get a school for the day. Obviously, at night now, so in the day at school now. But, obviously, me in a uniform and thing and money on the subject. So, the video a compliment to the lyrics of the song. I like when artists do that. I like when artists make the effort for compliment what them I say by showing us, you see me, the images where him a sing about. So him a sing about subject, school, money, and the video, school uniform.
Drift the cone hard and make she get upset. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Yo, I'm money on the subject. clutch a gal a Barbie. Hot beats like Versace.
Alright, I'm saying clutch a gal a Barbie. For those who don't know what a clutch a gal is, especially the gal when they are foreign, when them go in a store, them use them 5-finger discount and take what them want and go sell it back to the G them on the corner. Clutcher, them a clutcher. You hear intense sing about clutcher gal. You hear him sing about that clutcher. That's what the clutcher them do. So that's how the girl make the money. So the man them up on the road hustle. And you have certain girl up on the road hustle too. But the main thing are clutching. So them go to the expensive store them and do them thing and sell it back to the G them for half price. You see me? So if you order, say you order $500 worth of things, you will get $1,000 worth of clothes, so half price. Let us explain what clutcher is for those who don't know what clutcher is.
You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. My clutcher gal a Barbie. Hot beats like Versace. Cologne stink like me at dog shit.
So you cologne stink with that? Yeah! Him say clutcher gal a Barbie. Then him say she have beats like something like which brand him use?
You want money on the subject.
Hold on there.
Clutcher gal
La
a
Barbie.
Hot beats like Versace.
Have beat like for Versace. So she obviously have Versace store. She have a whole heap of beats. Be expensive things she have. Me explain that already. That part I'm like now.
Cologne stink like me at dog shit. Girl I scream out father.
Man say cologne stink like a dog shit. Cologne stink like a dog shit. That means in here la Franzy man. And that mean, you know, it means it smell nice, man. It smell nice. Like if him walk past you, you smell what that? Smell nice, man. Yeah, so it have a stink to it, but it's a nice thing. Yeah?
Clutch a gal a Barbie. Hot beats like Versace. Cologne stink like me at dog shit. Gal I scream out father. She was getting bad what me rock Prada.
In bad. Gal I scream out father. Remember say that song they boss me now. Father they poor. So gal I sing out father.
Gal I scream out father. She was getting bad what me rock Prada. Moschino shirt jeans Zara. Client card when me use me Kiada.
So I'ma tell you in beats where I'ma rock. You don't know Prada shoes, Moschino shirt or Zara. You know Zara is one of them top brand they wear. Still some nice simple thing, but you know, yeah.
Gal I scream out father. She was getting bad what me rock Prada. Moschino shirt jeans Zara. Client card when me.
So Moschino shirt jeans Zara. Zara jeans them bad. Zara jeans them neat. Them neat, proper neat. So you will find some jeans in Zara where you say, oh, these like. Yo, me have couple Zara jeans and me tell you them sick, no joke.
Brad what me rock Prada. Moschino shirt jeans Zara. Client card when me use me Kiada. Big up Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm shaking on count.
Client card where him use make the order. So him have him client card where him use and spend the money from that. You see me? So him say big up Las Vegas, Nevada, obviously. And that's how him money are forward from or around that area.
Me use me Kiada. Big up Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm shaking on count and make the skull upset. No, Dunce Cheque. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Yo, the chorus catchy as fuck, like you're offy. Once you meds it, you're offy sing the chorus when the chorus reach back on. Chorus bad. I'm pausing a lot because I'm breaking down.
No, Dunce Cheque. Back of the class, man, on a subject. Gotten gal in order to be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but she no drunk yet. Drift the gun down and make she get upset. You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, spin down, love fraud. Ha ha, science, hold on, client. PDF file ready, new pan belly, can't hold pan belly. Rat chicken in her ears, now send him down a medic. Me have the soul, she's skull have good credit. Bum shaking her count and make the skull upset. No, Dunce Cheque. Back of the class, man, on a subject. England gal in order to be my one rough sex.
Sir, that thing is always at my class with Monday at school. We go out with the most in a school, in a class, and when they eat. Like, our principal or our teacher did have this certain walk where you know Simon forward. That time son and shoes walking down the corridor. You know Simon forward. Take yourself. Do it you need to do.
Bum shaking her count and make the skull upset. No, Dunce Cheque. Back Back of the class, man, on a subject. England girl in order to be my one rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but you no drunk yet.
Watch it, fully dance, watch film book. Film book upside down and back. You're not doing nothing, brother. Yo, you're fully dance with G.
Girl in order to be my one rough sex.
Yo,
she pop the
give
molly
up.
hard, but you no drunk yet. Drift the cone
That's
hard
it.
and make she get upset. You want money on the subject.
Subject.
You want money on the subject.
That's a sleep. Jabongi. Yeah.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this not shoot good, brother.
Big up King Cam.
You see you free.
Yo, big up King Cam. You shoot good. Big up King Cam. Yo, big up Valiant, bro. Keep on giving us those type of music like this. You know, like we can, even though a trap song is a different type of trap. Him done telling us him I sing trap gospel, you know. So it's a different type of trap song, bro. Different. It is different, bro. You see me? So, bro, continue doing what you're doing, bro. A year time now, bro. You see me? That song, yeah, for me, I got up and repeat, just like North Carolina and St. Mary, bro, because bad artist. Bro, yeah, you have the potential to be one of the greats if you continue at this space that you're going, bro. You have the potential to be one of the names where people have to mention in a dancehall, bro. You see me? You have the potential, my G. So continue, bro, and just give it the music what we need. Anyway, this is how I make a leave that one, yeah. Enjoy that one I want to see more. You know exactly what to do, man. You see me? If you're not subscribed yet, the door is always open, so do it, man. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one, man. Chew, babies.